Assalamu alaikum, dear students, class 5th, subject EVS. Ösh para topic soon is shelter so high. आज is emek questions. Question number first to yath maz. What are the different types of houses that you have seen? Tell your friends about it. Make drawings too. Different types of houses kom wuchu toy wuniyo so pannen friendan. I have seen different types of houses in different areas like which different houses different area misal kya wuch me houses made of wood which are found in hilly areas me wuch tum makan yim lakri haj banamit kat hilly areas pahadi ilakan maz houses made of wood which are found in hilly areas houses made up of cement bricks glass etc that are found in cities tum makan te wuch me jim zan cementic serin haj shishan haj asan banamit tum ch common maz shahran maz these houses are strong and can withstand heavy rains and storms makan ch variya asan mazboot ch karan bardash matlab heavy winds rains ya tufan but the houses made of mud and bamboo or of wood cannot withstand such climatic conditions magar yim zan makan ch asan banamit common haid mudik mech haid ya bamboo ya lakri haid tum ch climatic conditions hekan bardash karit kehin. Check in your map which states would one pass through while traveling from Mumbai to Kashmir. Daba tu will say Mumbai pet Kashmir koru travel kumo state muz dro toy. The states through which one would pass through while traveling from Mumbai to Kashmir are. Let's say Mumbai pet Kashmir emo kom states emo akchama Gujarat chema Rajasthan chema Punjab chema Haryana chema Himachal Pradesh emo and Jammu and Kashmir. States emo yim saat is Mumbai pet kokun emo Kashmir kun. Number second, Gauru Jani passed through several states while going from Mumbai to Delhi. Using Gauru Jani yas goes various state muz Mumbai pet Delhi kun. Find the capital cities of these states. Oman state and capital city Vinusatoy. Was there any other big town on this way? Kam bod town ma os ait? The states through which Gauru Jani passed through. The one yum state yum muz Gauru Jani draw Mumbai pet kokun Delhi kun. Along with the capitals are as follows. Tehen capital Chayokun Wushu. Maharashtra muz draw emuk capital go Mumbai. Gujarat muz draw emuk capital go Gandhinagar. Ethaka Rajasthan muz draw emuk capital go Jaipur. Haryana emuk capital go Chandigarh. Many big towns would have been these in his way, such as Ahmedabad chu bod town ait, Udaipur chu Ajmer chu umge bad town ait. Is Manali a plain or a hilly area? In which state it is? Manali is a plain area kini chu pahadi area ye kath states maz chu. Usan Manali is a hilly area. Yas chu hilly area pahadi alag. It is in Himachal Pradesh. It is Himachal Pradesh maz. Have you ever stayed in a tent? Tu chas a tentas maz roidmit. Where? What was it like? Yikut os. Yes, I stayed in a tent in mountains of Manali. Baso roads Manali is using mountains, tent. It was very adventurous and exciting experience. What are the different types of houses that you have seen? Mukhtalif qisman makan kum wuchu tay which houses made of wood which are found in hilly areas maz houses tum chasan lakri banayit houses made of cement bricks glass etc that are found in cities jim zan shahar maz makan tum chasan cementic serin hai te be chasan banayit tum shishan hai so jim zan houses these houses are strong and can withstand heavy rains and storms jim cementic makan chasan variya mazboot chaka bardash karit matlab zan heavy wind storm chasan ya rains chasan chaka ye bardash karit but the houses made up of mud and bamboo or wood cannot withstand such climatic conditions jim zan makan chasan mech banayit bamboo banayit ya lakri banayit chan hekan bardash climatic conditions karit ke. During winters, Tashi and his family live in the on the ground floor. Winters maz chhe Tashi be tem ground floor me zon family chhe tum chhe rozan ground floor maz. Why would they be doing so? Tum kya chhe rozan ait? As there were no windows on the ground floor hennes. Kes using ground floor tat chan dair shahar kihin. The ground floor was protected from the cold winds. The cold winds chhe bachawa. Sardi nish bachawan, thus in order to protect them from the icy cold winds, pan im sardi nish bachawan khati kya chum karan winters maz, they live on the ground floor. Chhe rozan ground floors maz. What is the roof of your house like? What all is the roof used for? Yus tahinde makanuk roof chhe su kyuth chu, roof kim khatir chhe istemal karan. The roof of my house is made up of bricks and cement. Yus sain makan hech roof chum chhe banayit cement te be brick. The roof is used for drying clothes, preparing potato chips, papad, buddies, papad, etc. At kya chum kara kam hoknam at potato chips, papad, buddies be papad. It is also used for sleeping in summers. Be garmas maz shunga, getting sunlight in winters. At what height is the place where you live? Yat jai tu roza chi jai kath height pet chu. I am living in Delhi. This place is situated at a height of 216 meters above from the sea land. Yas chu sea land thod kota zahat shura meter. Why did Gaurav Jaini say this place is so high that it is difficult to breathe normally? Gaurav Jaini kaz won usan ye jai yas chu variya thaz yet chu shah nyun ti gasa mushkil. At high altitudes, that is as we go up the mountains. High altitude is thod khasan chum pahadan pet thod khasan che, the level of oxygen in the air becomes less. At hawas mas oxygen level gasan variya kam. As a result, natij neran the breathing becomes more difficult. At gasan shah khalan variya mushkil, and one has to rapidly draw more oxygen with force. Matlab taqat san oxygen noon. Thus, Gaurav Jaini has said this place is so high that it is difficult to breathe. Tawai won Gaurav Jaini jai chu variya thaz ye chigasan shah nyun te mushkil. Number next chu, have you ever been to a hilly place? Where? Tu es wasan kun hilly place pet kath jai? Yes, I have been to hilly place few years back. It was in Manali. At what height was it? Ye kath height pet did you have any difficulty in breathing there? Toy ma go shah nyanas mas tat mushkil. Manali is about 2050 meters above from the sea level. Usan Manali chi sea level khot high kota 2050 meters. The breathing chi atti gasan variya difficult. Breathing was little difficult in Manali. Which is the highest place you have seen so been to? Highest place kus chi ye jan toy rodyo. I have been to Rotang Pass. It is about 4,111 meters above the sea level. Sea level pechi thod kota 4,111 meters. For the Changpas, their animals are very important part of their life. You know, Changpas is the most janwar. This life is very important. Is any animal part of your life? For example, as a pet or as helpers in farming, list 5 ways in which different animals are a part of your life. तो तुम वन तुज लाइफ हूँ पार्ट मा एनिमल मिसाल कह पेट मा बनोमुत कह हेल्पर मा बनोमुत जो फार्मिंग में जमींदारी मज जरूरत वैसे yes my pet dog Harry has become a part of my life. 5 ways in which different animals are a part of our life. क्या dog क्या look people often keep it as a pet or for protecting their houses from thieves. Dog thawa pet क्या यह sanis makanas karan rösh tsura wura nish. Cow it is used to obtain milk. Emis nish is karan dod hasil. Buffalo it is used to plow fields and carry goods. Emon zameen vainawan mane te bechum cheese sarnawan. Goat it is used to obtain milk and meat. Emis nish is karan obtain hasil dod te be maws. You read that in Chagthang the temperature drops below 0 degrees Celsius. Look at the newspaper on TV to find cities in India or abroad why the temperature drops below 0 degrees centigrade. Using Chagthang goes that temperature gasan 0 degree below. تُہۍ ؤنِو سا کَتھ شہرَس تہٕ اِنڈیا کِس کَتھ شہرَس یا نٮ۪برٕ باقٕیَن مُلکَن منٛز کَتہِ چھِ گژھان ٹٮ۪مپریچَر 0 ڈِگری بِلو اِن وِچ منتھٕز ڈوٗ یوٗ ایٚکسپیکٹ ٹُو سی دِس کَتھ رٮ۪تَس منٛز چھِ یہِ آسان د اَدَر سِٹیٖز اِن اِنڈیا ویر د ٹٮ۪مپریچَر ڈرٛاپٕز بِلو 0 ڈِگری سٮ۪لشَس یہِ گوٚو ہِندوستانَس منٛز کَمَن سِٹیٹ سرینگرَس منٛز 0 ڈِگری لداخَس منٛز شِملاہَس منٛز پٕلیسِز آوُٹ سایڈ اِنڈیا ہیوِنٛگ ٹٮ۪مپریچَر بِلو 0 ڈِگری سٮ۪لشِیَس یِم زَن ہِندوستان نٮ۪بر جایہِ چھِ ییٚتہِ زَن بِلو 0 ڈِگری سٮ۪لشِیَس ٹٮ۪مپریچَر گژھان چھُ مِنِسوتا اِٹاوا دِس کایِنٛڈ آف ٹٮ۪مپریچَر یوٗجؤلی آکٲرٕز اِن د منتھٕس آف ڈٮ۪سَمبر جَنؤری اینٛڈ فَروری اَکثر چھِ گژھان یہِ ٹٮ۪مپریچَر ڈاوُن ڈٮ۪سَمبرَس جَنؤریَس تہٕ بیٚیہِ فَروؤریَس منٛز